Hi besties, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're most definitely welcome. Please hit the subscribe button to officially become part of the family. And if you're already part of the OGs, the day ones, and you're already subscribed, thank you for coming back for another video. So don't forget to like this video, give it a massive thumbs up if you like it. And if you don't like it, just give it a massive thumbs up and tell us in the comments what you would do to improve this video. So yeah, let's get into the video. So in today's video, I'm going to do a mini skincare haul for you. It's mostly skincare, so I'm just going to do this haul with you. So yeah, let's get into the haul. This is the little bag which contains the items that I bought. So yeah, you need to romanticize your life. So this is the romanticizing my life. I just moved the items into this bag. So yeah, let's see what's inside. Okay, the first item is this. This is the first item. This is the Gender Magic skincare lotion, but I think it's just essentially a toner because you use cotton wool or those cotton pads. Use this one on your face to remove impurities. It cleanses, it reduces oiliness, and it opens up clogged pores. So you use this the same way you use a toner. So you're just using this, rubbing it on your face so that you remove impurities. So yeah, let's see what it looks like. So this is the bottle. This is a 125 ml bottle. So this is what it looks like. I hope it's focusing. Okay. So yeah, this is the first item. The actual instructions on this, it says wipe onto skin using damp cotton wool, then it's for external use only. So yeah, this is the first item. So yeah, it's just open here. This is the first item. Let me put this aside and then we move on to the next item. Okay, the next item is this. This is the Gender Magic skincare serum. So you use this on your face too. So after you use your soap, you wash your face, you use your lotion or your toner, then you apply this. The serum is used to treat your skin. So you apply this after you wash your face. So this is a 50 ml. Okay, this is how it looks like in the inside. This is the item. So I bought the toner or the lotion. I bought the toner or the lotion for $1, $1. I normally buy it for $2, but I found it for $1. So yeah, this was a bargain. And I bought this serum for $1.50. It's normally $2 or $2.50, but I bought it for $1.50. Move on to the next item. This is the next item. I bought this without the box. I didn't see the box. I only saw this bottle. So this is the skincare oil, the Gender Magic skincare oil. This is a 50 ml. So yeah, this is the oil. I've never used this before. This will be my first time trying this. So I just want to see how it works. I normally see it for $4.50 in Butcher's Pharmacy, but I bought this for $2.50. I bought it for $2.50. That's why I got it. Because every other time that I saw this thing, I was just like, it's too pricey and I'm not going to buy it. So yeah, it was $2.50, quite affordable. That's why I bought this. Apparently, it contains natural avocado oil, which repairs and revitalizes dull, damaged, or aging skin. So yeah, this is the bottle. Let's move on to the next item. Okay, the next item is this Dove Sensitive. It's an anti-perspirant. So all Dove products contain about a quarter moisturizing cream. I mean, all Dove anti-perspirants. That's what I've seen. That is why I love these perspirants so much. And these are 48-hour protection. It is a 150 ml. So yeah, this is what I bought. I bought the sensitive one. So yeah, I got this for $3. Yeah, this was $3. I bought it for $3. I use this, and I also use the Eventone one, the one written Skin Renew. But yeah, I could only find this one, so I bought this one. So this is the 4th item that I bought. Now let's move on to the next item. So the next item is this Dettol Eventone Original. This is an antibacterial soap. I use this for my body. So yeah, I use this in combination with a body wash. So I use this Dettol Eventone Original. So there's the Eventone Pomegranate, then there's this Eventone Original. I don't know if there are other types of this Eventone, but yeah, these are the ones that I know. So this is a 175 gram. I bought this for, was it 85 cents or $1, somewhere there. So yeah, this is the 5th item. Let's move on to the next items. Okay, this is the next item. This is the Dove Beauty Cream Bar. This one is the Go Fresh Touch. So Dove products are actually quite moisturizing. This also contains 1/4 moisturizing cream, which is why I love Dove products so much. They are quite on the pricey side compared to other things or other skincare products, but they're actually quite good. So this is the next item that I bought. And then moving on to the last item, it's another Dove Beauty Cream Bar. So this is the Gender Exfoliating one, the Gender Exfoliating one. So I've never tried this before, but I've tried this and the original. But I actually love these Dove soaps. I can use this on my face and on my body. So this is quite handy if you are traveling mostly. So I can use this on my face and on my body. If I don't want to carry like a face wash for my face and then something else for my body, I can just carry this one. That is why I love it. So yeah, this is the last item that I have. So this is actually a mini skincare haul. So these are items that I bought. So I bought this Dove Beauty Cream Bars, the Dove Beauty Cream Bars. I bought them for, they're actually going for 32 zig. Yeah, I think it's around $2 something. We're going for 32 zig, like the rate confuses me. I bought them in TM Pick and Pay for 32 zig. So we can find them for $1 depending on where you shop. You can find them for $2, for $1.25, for $2.50, depending on where you shop this thing. But yeah, in Pick and Pay they're actually 32 zig. I'm sure after the rate changes and all that stuff, the price has changed, but I bought them for 32 zig. So yeah. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you watched up until the end, please drop a white heart in the comment section or drop a Dove in the comment section to show me that you have watched up until the end. So yeah, thank you guys. Hope to see you again in the next video. And if you are new to this channel, there are other videos that I release, and today is day 27 of the July $1,000 challenge. So you can actually go back and watch the other videos that I did so that you familiarize yourself with this channel. Then after you familiarize yourself with this channel, you can actually hit the subscribe button to become part of the family. So yeah, go in and watch those videos. If you're already part of this channel and you haven't watched all my other videos, please go and support those videos. Give them a massive thumbs up. Comment in the comment section. Please don't be scared to comment. Don't be scared to subscribe and become part of the family. So until the next video or vlog, it's goodbye from me. Bye.